When Woodcrafters receives an invitation to bid from a customer, or when Scott finds an open bid on the market on a website like iSquareFoot, he's going to create an opportunity. When he does that, he's going to assign it to me so that it tells me that I need to bid it. In order to do that, he's going to click on Opportunities under Sales. He'll click on Create, and he will go about creating the new opportunity. So we're going to name this job Test Job 123. We're going to put in our address. We are going to call it First Bid. We're going to put in the bid type, which is currently going to be set to budget. Now, I will change that from budget to actual once I have actually completed the physical estimate. Our projected revenue, and at this point that's going to be Scott just kind of ballparking from a quick scan of the plans. Our win probability, he usually knows if we have almost a 100% or if we've got a 10%. Truth be told, if we have a very, very low probability, then one of the things that we do well is actually limit our exposure, and we won't probably bother bidding the project. Our target margin is typically going to be about 40%. Now, we have the opportunity to fill in the plan quality. So the goal here is to rate our clients based on the plans that they submit to us. One of the advantages is in the future, if we run a report on general contractor A, we will find that they constantly have a plan quality of F. That may tell us that in the future we don't want to keep bidding projects for them because it really skews our profits. The worse shape that the plans are in, the more prone to error our estimate has. So we're going to put in the first delivery, which we're going to call March 2nd. And the last delivery, let's say this is a 50,000, so it's probably going to be in 2 deliveries maybe, so we'll deliver it on the 4th. The estimator is going to be me. The salesperson is Scott. Scott is typically the owner on projects, and I am the assignee. I'm the person who will be doing the estimating. A couple notes. It's very important that we at least take our best guess at the projected revenue and the win probability. Even more important is that we put in the delivery information, even though at the estimate level it will be drastically off. What this does is based upon the combination of the win probability and the revenue, it will identify, let's say in this case, 50% of $50,000 would be $25,000. It will assume that we have a workload of approximately $25,000 that is going to take place between, or the delivery is going to take place between March 2nd and March 4th. That's very important for us to use to judge our business needs in the future. So I'll go ahead and click create, and that opportunity will now be created.